Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add symbols in Bluebeam. All right, so symbols are reusable markups that actually help you quickly annotate PDFs with common icons, shapes, or construction symbols. Now, in Bluebeam Review, the easiest way to add symbols is through the tool chest, where built-in and custom symbols are stored for repeated use. So here is actually the easiest and recommended way to add a symbol from a tool chest. Now, launch the Bluebeam Review desktop and open the PDF where you want to place a symbol. Let's say this is the PDF. Now, head over to Windows at the top corner of the screen and head over to Panels. And once you click on Panels, you have a couple of options here. Select Tool Chest. Now, once you select tool chest, or the shortcut is Alt and X, Alt X, and the tool chest opens. So the tool chest panel displays your available tool sets, including My Tools, Recent Tools, and Contractor Review, Engineer Review. That's custom tool sets that you have created. So expand the tool sets that contains the symbol that you want, and expand this out to expand it. So once you expand it, if the tool set is collapsed, so like I said, if this is collapsed, it shows this arrow. So just go ahead and tap on the arrow to expand the list of available symbols. So click on the symbol once. Let's say the symbol that I want. Just click on it once. And once you click on it once, you see that your cursor changes, indicating the symbol is ready to be placed. So move your cursor over the PDF and click once. Click once where you want the symbol to appear. Now, depending on the type of symbol, you may be able to click and drag or just adjust. Okay. So depending on type of symbol, you may just be able to click and drag to adjust its size before releasing the mouse button. Just please. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to close this and don't save and open it again. All right. So you see that I have actually added a new symbol. So just click on the symbol and then come over here and double click and release the mouse, and then you see that it was already, or it has already created. So that's pretty much how it works. You see now the symbol is now added to your document. So whatever thing you want to do here with the symbol, you can just do it. So from here you have a couple of other symbols that you can add. Design symbols, you have general measurement, you have architecture review. All of those symbols, just go ahead and add them in freestyle. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search. But then let's say you don't find the symbol that you want to add here, and let's say someone shared a Bluebeam tool set with you. You can actually import it. So go ahead and click on the tool chest here, and then from tool chest, just go ahead and click on manage tool sets. And once you click on manage tool sets, come over here, click on import and select the tool that you want to import and click on open. And once you click on open, that's it. You can now be able to click on OK, and the imported symbol will immediately appear in your tool chest ready to use. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps in. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.